Drum rolls, please. Hey guys, welcome to Career Terminal. I am super excited because it's my first video on this channel, and let's start our journey together. So see, this channel is gonna be focused on technology, the updates in technology, what are new things that are coming. Maybe in future we can expand the domain, but for now let's keep it technical. And as a start, I'm gonna do a format, that is, I'll be teaching you Java in 20 days, and the best part will be 20 videos. I'll be covering from basic to advanced in those 20 videos, and let's get started. Now before you think, oh no, this is going to be boring textbook stuff, stop right there. We are going to learn Java the fun way, with real examples, real code and real understanding. Sounds good? Let's go. See, by the end of this video, I am going to explain you what Java is, why Java is so popular, how Java works behind the scene, and how to set up Java in your machine and how to run your first program. I might put that thing in a different video and put this video completely conceptual. So let's start. I'll give you a real world analogy first, okay? Imagine you are building a Lego house, okay? You can pick the Lego house and you can place it anywhere, right? On the table, on the floor, in the room, outside, or even in the bathroom, right? I don't know why will you take it to the bathroom, but yeah, it works the same anywhere, right? You built it and you are displaying it anywhere you want. It is same with Java. Java follows write once, run anywhere. Why? Because thanks to something called JVM that I'll be explaining in a few minutes. So you write Java code on your Windows laptop, your friend writes it on Mac, your server runs it on Linux. See, it's the same code, but which is working everywhere. And as I told you, it is used everywhere, right? Like, I'll give you examples. You use your phone, most of us, we use Android phones, right? So Android apps, ADMs, Amazon, Netflix uses Java, LinkedIn uses Java. And you know, the fun part, Java is used in space. I'm not kidding, NASA also uses Java. There are plenty of jobs out there because of the demand. See, and the advantage of Java is if you learn Java, because of it being object oriented, you start to think like a programmer. And once you know Java, Python, C# and all becomes very easy. Java is very... So guys, let's understand how Java works. For that, you have to understand three things: JDK, JRE, JVM. So let's pick one image. I have picked Geeks for Geeks. RIP Geeks for Geeks. Sorry man, I used to love you. These days because of AI, nobody's using you. It hurts. So yeah, let's start with JVM. So JVM is, think of JVM as a translator, which converts the bytecode into machine-specific instructions. Like every OS has its own JVM. That is the reason why the same Java code that you write runs everywhere. So that's JVM. JRE, you can think of JRE like JVM plus libraries, which are needed to run the Java program. Okay, this has all the compiler tools that is required to run the program. Now coming to the JDK. JDK is a complete package for the developers, which includes everything. Okay, so we are gonna download the JDK in the next video, and let's understand how Java execution works. Imagine you are writing a hello world program that we'll be writing in the next video. So you are writing a hello world.java. Okay, with the it's a Java file for now. Remember this. You are writing hello world.java, and that's a .java file. The compiler will compile that into a bytecode file. So what bytecode file format is? .class. So that will be converted to .class files. So now you have .class file, which with the help of JVM, which is specific to every OS, will run that .class file. So you can say like this: the .class bytecode is the same on all the machines, but JVM translates it differently for each and every OS, and that's how that write once and run anywhere works. Now, I think this is enough for now. the concepts, let us dive into writing our first program, because I don't think you need more background for writing a program than this. So let's get started on how to install a JDK and an IDE.